Hello, my name is Malika. I am Moroccan and I am a native Arabic speaker. I'll be teaching you Arabic from scratch in a series of videos. So, Arabic is spoken by over 200 million people around the world, and it is the official language of 25 countries. Also, there are about 30 dialects in the Arabic language. For example, in Morocco, there is Darija. It is our dialect, and it's different than the other dialects of other countries. So there is Fusha, which is the classical Arabic that everyone knows, like all the Arabic countries have this language and its people understand the Fusha, but each country has their own dialects. So in this course I will teach you how to speak and read Arabic. I'll start with the alphabet and the very basic rules of the Arabic language. I'll be focusing on what is really important. It will be a pragmatic course, not an academic one. So I might skip some things that I find unimportant. So I'll just focus on what you really need to know in order to start speaking and reading Arabic. There are some basics that you need to know about the Arabic language. First of all, Arabic is written from right to left, and there are 28 alphabets in the Arabic language, including 3 vowels. Here they are. Besides alphabets, there's also what we call harakat. They are symbols that have the same rule as vowels, but they are not alphabets. They mean nothing alone. Harakat are used with other alphabets. They are written at the top or at the bottom of other alphabets. Last but not least, every alphabet is written in 3 different ways, depending on whether the alphabet is at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word. For example, this is the alphabet Ba. At the beginning of the word, it is written as in the first line, in the middle as in the second line, and at the end of the word as in the third line. Now let's see the 3 vowels. We have first Alif, and these are the 3 ways it can be written. This is how it is written at the beginning of words. You can see that we have here a symbol here. We call it Hamza. You will see later cases where we have it and others where we don't. And this is Alif at the middle of a word, and this is Alif at the end of words. Also here we have 2 different ways to write Alif at the end of words, and we'll see examples later. And the second vowel is Wow. It's not wow, but it is pronounced wow. So wow is written like the 3 ways it is written is a bit similar. At the beginning of words, it is not attached to anything here. In the middle, it is attached from this side only, because you'll find some other alphabet here. So it is attached here, but it is not attached here. And at the end of the word, it is attached just from the right side. And yeah, the third vowel is yeah. And these are the 3 ways it is written. So yeah is a bit like Ba that we saw earlier. It just has 2 dots at the bottom instead of 1. So here at the beginning, it is not attached here. It is attached here to the letters that are coming next. Just by the way, here wow is never attached from the left with other alphabets. So you can see that in the 3 cases it is always written the same at the left side, because it is never attached. Same case for alif, like it is never attached here at the left. So yeah, it can be attached from the right and from the left. That's why in the middle of the words you can find that it has these two lines here, so it can be attached both from the right and left. And at the end of the word it is attached from here, and if it is written with some alphabet that cannot be attached from the left, like wow, it is written just like that. I'll show you now how to write each of the vowels. I'll start with alif. So you draw a vertical line from the top to the bottom, and this is in the middle or at the end of the word. Start like because you will be writing some other thing here. So for example, you were writing ya, so you start from the other alphabet you were writing and you extend the line like that. For wow, you start with drawing a circle and then you extend the line. So again, a circle and you extend the line. At the middle or at the end, extend the line. Like it's the same thing, like you have a line, you draw the circle, you extend the line. For yeah, you start like that and you add 2 dots. This one is too big, so again, so that's in the middle, you extend the line from the other alphabet, and at the end you extend the line. Now that you learned how to write these alphabets, you must know that they can be consonants or vowels. So, as vowels, alif is a, waw is oo, ya is e. Let's see examples of words that don't really mean anything. First one is way. As you can see, the 3 letters are written separately because waw does not get attached at the left and alif does not get attached at the left as well, and it's not attached at the right with waw. The second one is yay. Yeah gets attached at the left and alif does not get attached at the left. That's why we have yeah at the end is not attached with alif. Uy. Alif and waw do not get attached at the left. That's why none of these alphabets is attached to the other. As you must have noticed in these examples, these alphabets can be consonants as well. So alif makes the sound e. Depending on the vowel that comes after it, it can be a, o, e. So it is always e. As for waw, it makes the sound w. Yeah, it makes the sound y. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can write a comment, and see you in the next videos.